Happy 4th of July, everyone! Okay, so I was confirming that I had recorded that because that's going to be my intro. So, sorry, Selena Gomez is playing in the background because MTV today is doing something really cool. They're playing music. Imagine that on music television. So, apparently that was funny to my mom. At least I got one laugh out of that. But yeah, so I turned it on. They just had some Drake on for 2 videos in a row. I was jamming like this, getting it. Okay. So my brother has concocted a story that now my mom is participating in. They claim that when they go to take...
When do me and mom agree on anything?
That's for damn sure.
Oh, you'll always agree on messing with me. So, out here, you know, I've taken the dogs out. Y'all see me out here.
I do not lie. This is true. This really did happen.
My brother has said for the past couple of days that every time he takes the dogs out, there's these little kids. Well, they're not little.
Like my age.
They're teenagers.
They're not teenagers.
They're grown men.
They're not grown men, but they're in their early 20s.
So they're teenagers, and when they see you taking the dogs out, they ride by with a giant yellow and green super soaker and just super soaker you.
Well, you claim that we have prank knockers.
We do! Everyone has
I've never witnessed it.
Because
so it has to be true?
No! I yelled at them and they stopped!
I have not witnessed a prank knocker.
Justin, did we have prank knockers?
No.
Shut up!
All right.
Shut up, yes we did. Anyway, so they have concocted the story, and my mom said this morning she went outside to walk the dogs, and she got super soakered.
Had you not slept for 20 hours, you would have witnessed it.
Exactly.
My toes, okay, I have big feet. Everyone in my family makes fun of me for it, but look how weird my toes look without polish. They're like naked. I never don't have polish on them. Unless
They're hideous.
They're not hideous. They're really not hideous. Okay, so I did my makeup. And I did my mom's, but she won't let me show you until I do her hair, so. Look, I painted my nails. Oh, my fingers. Yay, Independence Day. I look like Pebbles, or just like a cheerleader, whichever one. Hee hee. Actually, I need like a ponytail right here so I can be a cheerleader. Okay, so I did my mom's makeup and her hair. She looks lovely. And I'm dressed and ready to go. I don't have any like red clothes, so I'm wearing my red bow. And blue here. I have blue eyeshadow on, but you can't really tell. Looks like I have an excuse to wear my new shoes. They're really uncomfortable though. Well guys, how's my 4th of July look? My mom's screaming in the background because she doesn't like that Chanel West Coast is on ridiculousness.
She's just jealous.
Right, because she's blonde and pretty. Hi, Weenie. Hi, Weenie. Hi. Don't you need to take them OUT?
Yeah, you're supposed to take him out next.
No, I'm not. Look too cute. Oh, I'm coming back. I can walk in this house if I want to. I can do what I want. So the parking lot is starting to fill up. over there's a stadium where everyone sits, and that's where the fireworks go off. And this part of town gets really crazy as you go later in the day. Like, cause when it gets dark is when they do the fireworks. So people are getting ready. They're getting ready. We're eating at Whataburger. I said it right that time. Whataburger. Oh my gosh! I don't think I was recording that whole time.
Oh, you suck.
Okay, I don't know if I was recording the whole time, so I have to do this all over again just in case. So what was said was, it's 4th of July, we're here with Lindsay's family, Lindsay's little sister, Lindsay's little brother is very far away, and so we've done this forever. This is my 9th year, I'm pretty sure, and we usually sit in the parking lot at Albertsons, but we've moved up in the world, and we're at a nice shady park. So, there's Lindsay. Oh,
Hey,
it's a pretty big event.
I'm here.
Oh yeah,
Going
Dallas
to
is here.
popcorn.
I said Lindsay's family did like
Well,
that.
yeah, but like the first time you did it, you filmed it and you were like, hey, there's each and every person. This time you're just like, oh, Lindsay's family.
That is Dallas.
Thank you.
He has been my friend for 9 years. Good friends.
These
Oh,
are
they
facts.
dated one time.
We did date in 6th grade?
6th grade, I believe, yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then you broke up with me. You broke my
No.
heart.
Don't
Yeah,
you
you
lie
did.
like that.
You did.
Were you on a break?
No, you broke up with me because you were moving.
Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me.
Okay, why'd we break up? No, it was you, Lindsay.
You were on a break, okay?
don't just make this like friends.
This is my puff.
Hayden wants another one.
Oh.
She's so
Hey,
upset. She's so
She's
upset.
frowning. She's like, come on. There you go.
Oh my gosh, Truett is all the way near the street. They're trying to get him.
He's not playing around.
I'm
Oh,
like-
my Powerade's all the way over there.
Dang it. Look at her.
Out
She's
from
so
what's going on in the world.
she's so cute. Look at her little boat. Hi, baby.
That's how much I was enjoying my hot dog. Is I'm just so tuned out from everything, like where true it is.
I wish I had something to say.
Truett, what are you doing?
Lindsay, bring me my corn.
Oh, that's nasty. How did it get on your nose? Get it off your nose. There you go. Yes. Oh.
There's a cop right here.
So it's getting darker. Cock-a-doodle-doo. He's saying that for some reason. Dallas has glow sticks. It's getting dark. There's the stadium. The fireworks are going to be there. I will show you. There's Lindsay.
Hey, says, oh,
Drew just said, "Oh, coconut."
You said that really slow.
Oh, coconut.
Oh, coconut.
Oh, coconut. So, how are you feeling about today?
I'm pretty happy. Oh,
Can you keep your life together, sir?
he's falling out. That's not okay. Pretty pumped about these
Oh my gosh,
fireworks.
that looks so dirty. Ready? Boom. You see it on there too?
What's that? Wait, what's that? What's... Where'd it go? Let's see.
It's going to Oklahoma.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
He told me there was a monkey in my tree. Squirrel.
That's funny. Was it at least a big squirrel?
From my hometown, memories of phrase. From my hometown, ooh, the people I've made. to say